Sarah. Ayun si Apa mo sa likod, daddy. Malingki si ano oh. Oh, si Afam na malingki. Mayroon ba kayong asawang ganyan? Walang kaarte-arte. Malingki, may bit-bit siya. So, I am in my property right now and I saw a chicken making a lot of noise. It's like my alarm. Oh, by the way, I didn't know this. It's my name. That's my boarding house. And this is where they park. Oh, look at that. Ala, kanino kayang manok yan? Yan, pang sabong yan. Okay. So, that's my neighbor, my gringo husband. Kano, Afam. Look at that, cockpit, daddy. That's our motorcycle. Do you wanna ride in it?
Oh, so the other one's...
So the storm broke my morange. See, this is big already. Oh, sasama yun. Sasama yun lahat. Tapos yung aking mango, that's my mango tree. Ayan, oh, yung mango tree ko, oh. It got damaged by the storm. But the house, thankfully, no damage. It needs to be more fixed. I have more things to do there. And this is the store that I need to put more. Nice view in the morning. Moonwalk Road. Ayan yung Moonwalk Road that is going to the airport that way. And this is going to the market. You know what, Daddy? I think I gave so big roadway. It's wrong. I should have just straight that up. Straight. Because there's more space. It's donation for the government. My son. And this is the storm. They got a customer already.
You have a store?
That's a store. But I need to put more in there. It's empty. The only thing they're selling is the ulam.
Ulam?
The
Look at that chicken. Chicken looks good.
That's daddy stuff. That's very nice, Bethlehem. Wow. Saan tayo punta, boy? John, sa imo. Bilis. Dali lang kuya, videoan ko lang siya. Kasama po kayo, smile po. Ngumiti talaga siya. Let me go to my terrace. Oh no, it's raining. It's raining hard. We can't do anything today. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. That's the bottom. That's my mango tree. My mango tree was knocked out by the big storm. And my atis, my morangue. Oh, look at that. I have a lot of plants down there. Market time. Sa 31 pa. Amerika. Sa Amerika na yan. Daddy, you're too big, really. You don't fit in the tricycle. Birak Market. Yan. Nag-ano kami, namili. Oh, di kami nagamit ng sasakyan. Puro tricycle. Ito. Oh, ganyan. You know what? Live dangerously or live struggle. You know, feel the life. Hindi yung porket galing ka ng Amerika, pa easy-easy, pa rena-rena, pa queen-queen, wag ganun. Pinapakita ko sa pamilya ko yung hirap. Hirap din ako sa Amerika. Ano kaya? Hirap kumita ng pera, di ba? Oo nga.
Parehas ka mo ko lang lubot.
Yan, market oh. May malunggay sa taas oh. Yan, ganyan ha. Oh, Birak Market oh. Oh. Malinis ang kanilang bridge. Nakaka-amaze naman. BTC Birak Town Center. Andito yung mga shopping mall nila ng Birak Katanduanes.
Kuya, sarado ata dyan.
Bilis ah.
Extension yun ang Birak Town
Extension no. Yan, may bangko dyan. Oh, may BTC extension na. Oh, bago yan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bahay namin malapit sa airport. Ayan, may simbahan dyan sa dulo. Awawa naman, walang paa. Putol yung paa niya. Dito na kami sa Gugun dadaan. Yan. Sa Gugun ito. Ay, balesa. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na kami ng parte. Ah, hindi. Ito na. Umikot lang pala kami ng Gugun. Inikot lang namin yung BTC. Oh. Kasi sarado. Oh, ayan, no, close. Kaya umikot kami. Papunta na kami sa bahay namin. Pamunwok na kami. ng bahay sa city at isa sa Baguio. Para meron kang escape. Pero mo gustong alisan yung city na bahay. Saka sa tahimik, Baguio na yun. Hindi sila masyadong binagyo dito. Di naman ang Baguio, pero hindi ganun kalaki. Tapos ito naman, meron dito sa Moonwalk. Yan o, parang maliit siyang shopping mall. O. Yan. Ayan, hotel yan. Ayan na nakakatakot. Ang ganda ng bahay niya. Kilala niyo ba may-ari niyan? Kuya, oh. Salamat. Saan sa iyo mo na yan? Mga iba dyan, habunin karning Dito tayo sa sa mga itlog. Yan, panghalo yan sa kaya yung crab sa kahipon.
Ano yung plastic crab?
Let's go for the crab and shrimp for you. This is small. Let's go that way. Daddy, this way. Pagkuha ng isa niyan na boneless bangus, pwede pakihiwa sa 4. Isa lang, yung nasa ibabaw. Yan. Puso, Bicol, pagkain ng Bicolanos. Gagataan yan. Yung bakasyonista kong afam, naguhugas ang plato. Huling-huli. Napakabait na asawa. Ito naman yung puso ng saging. Oy, superb. Gayong, paano ka papayat na ito, ha? Talagang batalyon ng kakain. May gabi pa. Sarap. O, bumili kami ng lalagyan ng microwave. Kasi wala kaming lalagyan ng microwave. Ayan ang service namin. Wala pa akong sasakyan dito kasi di pa ako nakatira dito. Pag nakatira na ako dito, saka ako kukuha ng service. Iba na yung kayong mag-aalaga. Kahit na pamilya mo pa yan at mahal mo sila. Pero iba na yung ikaw. Papuntang airport yan. This road is papuntang airport. Comfortably. How are you, Kano? Are you comfortable there? No? We have to buy our van very soon. Monmouth Road, papuntang airport, saka sa State University. Alas 5 ng umaga. Yan yung airport, oh. Yan sa harapan. Yan yung airport landing. We're going to the front of State University. Ayun sa kaliwa dyan. Tignan mo lang kung alin dyan. Sa kaliwa kay Bakery. Ayan ang State University. Bibili kami ng tinapay. Dali lang, kuya. Tayo na yung 50. Ito ang State University. Dito sa Isaberak. Yan. Hold on, Daddy. Yan yung entrance. Entrance ng State University is a very well-known college here in Vera Catanduanes. A lot of college graduate top 10. A lot of kids. This is what happened. Lots of foods, lots of chips. Yushi! Oh, it's my dog over there. Yushi! Happy Sunday. Oh, it's raining hard. We are stuck in the house. We can't go anywhere. We're planning to go to the resort. No, we can't go anywhere. Look at that. Very strong rain. We went to the resort, but it's completely raining like cats and dogs. So this is our simple food to bring because we don't know if the resort will be requiring us to not bring food and exclusively buy their own food. So, to play safe, ay, ang galing naman ng payong mo, Mel. Mel, balikwas ang payong mo. Look at this umbrella. Reverse. Ay, sira ulo. Talaga naman ang mga tao, oh. Kaloka. You're watching movie. Hi! Loko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh. Ay, nako. Pag hindi tumigil ang ulan, paano kami makakapunta ng resort? So, this is the result of the storm that got hit over here. They are starting to rise again. See, my banana there was cut. See, meron silang mga damage. Yan, no? Oh. And then, oh no! They're damaged from the storm. So, they're starting to grow again. And it's looking nice, which is really inspiring to see. Here she! Hi! Snub tong aso na to, ah. Hey, can you please say hello to me?
Kunsyal, bakit? Kunsyal, magtatanong lang ako. Bakit yung kay engineer Magno, hindi kailangan antayin yung akin?
Apart, 'cause we both thought that love lasts forever, forever. See, it's very divine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh love.
Room is a mess. You see, when you're a vacationista, ayan, vacationista, ang kalat, no? Mayaan mo, vacationista ako. I don't think anything. I don't think to clean. I don't want to clean. I just want to rest. Oh, look at that. Chicken caldereta. Malditang bata.
Ito pa, Joy, ito pa.
Apo natin na hindi may yan.
What you doing?
Peeling the pomelo. Tama na gatag. Kasi na. Now, when I cut it, another video. Kasi na. Going to? Oh my God, Mommy, I'm ready. Kasama ikaw, Uchi. Oh my God, I'm ready.